In Slovenia, beekeeping is widespread and has a rich tradition. In the regions between the Alps and the Adriatic Sea, the indigenous Carniolan bee, whose qualities were developed through breeding over hundreds of years, is highly valued among beekeepers. Slovenia's beekeeping cultural heritage includes knowledge, skills, practices and traditions handed down from one generation to the next. It includes the typical apiaries, beehives, tools, devices, as well as books, manuals, archived materials, expert and popular literature and art. For a long time now, beekeeping hasn't just been about collecting honey and wax. It is a part of agriculture where bees, along with other insects, pollinate fruit trees and other plants which are a source of our food. The slogan, "No bees, no life," reinforces our awareness regarding the connection between nature and people and the urgent need to respect the harmony between all living beings here on planet Earth.